Finally, the wait is over. Toyota's CEO is all excited to unveil the most trendy model of Toyota. Do you have any guesses? Okay, well, let's give you a hint. It's your favorite variant. Of course, we're talking Toyota's Grand Highlander, and it is back, which will be more incredible than ever. You are watching Tech Addicts, where we have all new cool updates for you. If you're not part of the family yet, hit that bell icon and be connected. So fasten your seatbelts as we are about to touch the perfection. So let's get started.
Response to this new Highlander has been amazing. Customers are loving all the features that it offers. All-wheel drive or front-wheel drive on every model? Check.
The all-new Toyota 3-row SUV is the company's newest addition to the SUV offerings in the United States. This year marks the release of the first official teaser after the Japanese behemoth trademarked the name last year. The Grand Highlander will be the official name of the new vehicle that debuted at the Chicago Auto Show in February 2019. Since 2001, Toyota's offered the Highlander as a 3-row SUV, and the Grand Highlander promises to be even more sophisticated, capacious, and powerful. It will likely have 3 rows of seating and sit between the base Highlander and the larger Sequoia in the lineup. Toyota promotes the Grand Highlander as the ideal car for long road trips with the whole family. The Grand Highlander, whose nameplate boasts the words Hybrid Max, will use a new 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine in conjunction with 2 electric motors. This engine produces 340 horsepower and is paired with a 6-speed automated transmission in the Crown Premium model. At the Chicago Auto Show on February 8th, Toyota will debut its new Grand Highlander SUV. Last week's teaser offered us an idea of the design's aesthetic approach, but didn't reveal much about the product's dimensions. Fortunately, we were able to photograph a carefully disguised replica, which allowed us to gauge the Grand Highlander's increased size more accurately. Although we won't know for sure how big the Grand Highlander is until we get our hands on one and study the dimensions, our spy shots show that the new Toyota midsize SUV is noticeably larger than the outgoing Highlander. The automobile is so well wrapped that we can only make out the general shape of the front end, which appears boxy. We anticipate that Toyota will elongate the new SUV's wheelbase to increase third-row legroom without reducing luggage space. The back overhang appears to be longer as well, which is promising news for those who value having extra space to store their things. The current 2023 Highlander's Turbo 4 generates 265 horsepower, so we anticipate seeing the same engine in the Grand Highlander as well. Based on the original teaser, we may assume that it will include Toyota's Hybrid Max drivetrain, which is the same 340 horsepower hybrid setup as the Crown sedan. There is still no information available to us about the interior. It's possible that Toyota has plans to upgrade the Highlander's cabin to make it more opulent and sophisticated. In a few months at the Chicago Auto Show, the Grand Highlander will make its official premiere, at which time the inside, along with other specifications and details, will be unveiled for the first time. Let's discuss Toyota hybrid technology. Self-charging. They developed hybrid technology to cater to your wants and demands. It's a reflection of who you are and what you value. Designed to make your commute more pleasant in terms of noise and efficiency, it will help you get to a better, more sustainable future in record time. The Toyota Hybrid Electric Vehicle Self-Charging System combines a gas-powered engine with an electric motor. The car can be operated either solely on electric power or with a combination of an engine and an electric motor. Toyota's hybrids are unique in that they don't need to be plugged in to recharge. The kinetic energy released when you apply the brakes is converted into electricity for use during your commute. The vehicle's motion creates kinetic energy, which is then transformed into electricity and stored in a battery for later use. The stored electrical energy is released to help the vehicle's engine when it needs extra power. Short time intervals are used by the power control unit to regulate this procedure. How does the hybrid system in a Toyota work? Toyota's hybrid drive system includes 6 main components: a gasoline engine, an electric motor, an electric generator, a power control unit, and a power split device that employs a unique sort of gearbox to evenly transfer power from the engine, the motor, and the generator. It's an ingenious fuel-saving technology that can switch instantly and smoothly between electric power and traditional engine power. Our hybrid technology automatically manages the power from both sources, instructing the vehicle on how to combine them for maximum efficiency and performance based on the current driving conditions. The technology effectively combines the benefits of both types of energy generation. The generator is used to charge the battery while the engine is operating, and the generator can shut off the gas engine and allow the electric motor to take over for emission-free driving when conditions are right, such as in slow-moving traffic. When the car comes to a complete stop, the high-tech engine management system will shut off the engine to save fuel and reduce pollution. The engine will restart on its own when it's needed. Toyota hybrids operated by this technology won't need to be connected to an electrical outlet because the battery is constantly being charged by the system. On the other hand, Toyota manufactures plug-in hybrid electric vehicles with a range of more than 30 miles in electric-only EV mode and hydrogen electric vehicles. Talking about Toyota's Grand Highlander competitor, you have any guesses? Well, obviously, we're talking about the 2023 Honda CR-V Hybrid. As there are a few visual differences between the leaked non-hybrid Chinese version of the car and the 2023 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The next generation of Honda CR-V compact SUV will be offered exclusively as a hybrid version. It will look different from its predecessor, have more inside room, and come equipped with modern conveniences. The vehicle will also include standard all-wheel drive. The new Honda crossover SUV is the second generation of the company's compact model powered by a combination of gas and electricity. If the new Honda CR-V doesn't debut until 2023, it'll use a whole new chassis. It'll get bigger as well. Over time, Honda's CR-V has expanded in size. It's expanded in length and breadth and height. In order to compete with vehicles like the Mitsubishi Outlander and the Volkswagen Tiguan, Honda may include a third row of seats. With this redesign, Honda will also update the CR-V's exterior. The refreshed Honda SUV's aesthetic may have been a source of inspiration for the vehicle's appearance. Inside, you can anticipate a sleek and sophisticated cabin that makes the most of its space. Whereas the Toyota Highlander is a capable three-row crossover vehicle. Nevertheless, it does not have enough room in the third row to compete with the enormously successful Honda VR-V, Kia Telluride, and Hyundai Palisade. The Sequoia is a body-on-frame SUV that offers a substantially more expensive solution to this problem than its competitors, although it does so to some extent. The next Toyota Grand Highlander is here to wow. It is anticipated to have unibody construction like the regular Highlander, and it will have a significant amount of additional space to better compete with the competitors stated above. It will also have an economical hybrid powertrain, so the Grand Highlander should be the perfect Toyota for taking the kids to school or going on extended road trips with the family. The more rugged 4Runner and Sequoia can handle the rough stuff, while the Grand Highlander takes care of the mundane tasks. This is everything that we anticipate the Grand Highlander to offer. The car manufacturer recently released a teaser in which it stated that the big plan for this vehicle would be unveiled on February 8, 2023. This date's most likely when the unveiling will take place as well as when the specifications will be shared. Following this, it will be available, and the debut date for the Toyota Grand Highlander in the United States is most likely going to be in the second half of 2023. At this point in time, Toyota has not provided any information regarding the price of the 2024 Grand Highlander. We anticipate that it will be priced higher than the normal Highlander, which can be seen in the image below, as well as the Highlander Hybrid, which has a beginning manufacturer suggested retail price of $36,420 and $40,220 respectively. If the Grand Highlander is offered a gas-only engine, which is something that hasn't been confirmed just yet, we anticipate that the starting price will be somewhere in the neighborhood of $40,000. And that means you should budget closer to $45,000 for the price of the Hybrid Max. Because of this, the price would be higher than that of the Kia Telluride as well as the Hyundai Palisade. However, given that it is called the Grand Highlander, it is possible that Toyota will build it to a higher level than either of these Korean competitors. Well, in the true sense, it's today, tomorrow, Toyota. This is all for the video today. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And thanks for watching.